Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change country on Pinterest. Maybe you have recently moved to a new country or you just want to explore content from a different region. So today, I am going to show you how to change country on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on this three dots icon located in the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here, you should select the settings option. On this window, tap on this personal information option. Here, you can now see your current country information. Now, to change your country information, simply tap on this country or region section. After that, a new window will pop up with a list of countries. Here, scroll through the list and select the country you want to change to. For example, I will choose Canada. After that, you now have successfully changed your country information on Pinterest. You can now explore content from the new country, and Pinterest will show you relevant content based on your new location. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change country on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change country on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.